Acclaimed by these critics for his remarkable portrayal as the famous villain in Batman, Farrell's prosthetics rendered him unrecognizable, but his Meredith, Danny DeVito, and Robin Lord Taylor have been all portrayed the Penguin in prior Batman films and television series, alongside Ferrell, Michael Zegen as Colonel Falcon's son Alberto, Cristin Milioti as Sophia, Carmen's daughter, and Clancy Brown as Salvatore Maroni, a former top gangster in Gotham. The remaining cast members include David H. Holmes, Francis Chow, Catman, Deirdre O'Connell, Mitchell Kelly, Shohreh, and Rhenzy Feliz. LeFranc, the showrunner and executive producer for Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., is behind the series. The writer-director of the Batman, Matt Reeves, will serve as executive producer by his production firm, Sixth and Ida. Craig Zobel, executive producer of Mayor of Easttown, will helm the first 3 episodes as director, alongside with Bill Carraro, Ferrell, Dylan Hood, and Daniel Pipsky. Co-executive producer Ravi Krom is involved in the production as well. There will be 8 episodes in the series. Due to strikes by writers and actors, production was put on hold in June 2023 and resumed the week following Thanksgiving.